गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. yesterday we finished our adjustment. Okay, so adjustment कल हो चुका है. फिर भी किसी को डाउट है मेरे को पूछ सकता है. Okay, they will ask me question in continuous lecture, but today lecture is not possible, so I am sending video. Okay, so our adjustment is finished. Now we start the sum. Okay, so let's start. That is the question number. Let's see. So here. So in this textbook, the question number 8 is given, okay, and from question number 8, our exercise will start, okay. So in this case, what is first of all discuss what is given. Now see here, Brahma and Vishnu are the partners of a partner, profit and loss in the proportion of 3:2. Okay, here two partners are there, Brahma and Vishnu, and ratio of both the partners that is a 3:2. Okay. From the trial balance, date 31st is 17. Now here trial balance is given and year ended 31st is 17. Adjustment is given here. Let's see what is given in trial balance. Here in trial balance, one thing is given, that is a trading account. It means in this case you are not made trading account because balance of trading account is already given. तो यहाँ पे ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का बैलेंस दे दिया है तो आपको बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो गो फॉर नेक्स्ट अकाउंट एंड दैट इज अ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. ये एडजस्टमेंट इज गिवन हियर. So here five adjustment is there. After completion of five adjustment, we go to the trial balance. Okay. So let's start with the question number 8. So in this case, trading account is already given. So it is not necessary to draw the trading account. We go for next account and that is the profit and loss account of partners Brahma and Vishnu. Okay. So heading is profit and loss account. Profit and loss account of Brahma and Vishnu for the year ended on 31st 3/17. Okay. So here, first of all, we draw here profit and loss account of Brahma and Vishnu for the year 31st 3/17. Here, trading account is not made because the balance of trading account is given. So here we made profit and loss account. Okay. So next account after profit and loss appropriation account, and that is the sorry next account of profit and loss account, and that is the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. So profit and loss appropriation account. But you have to give same heading, that is the profit and loss appropriation account of Brahma and Vishnu for the year ended 31st is 17. Okay, so this is your profit and loss appropriation account. After that, you have to make here. Now see here, capital account is given here. Here, current account is not given, so draw only capital account. Okay, so after profit and loss appropriation account, next account is partners capital account. Okay, partners capital account. Okay, so in partners capital account, first of all, date, particular, and here amount is name of partners, that is Brahma, and second partner's name is Vishnu. Okay, same thing repeat here, date, particular, Brahma and Vishnu. Okay, so your capital account is now finished. Now next and last one, that is a balance sheet. Okay, so balance sheet of Brahma and Vishnu as on, आपको as on लिखना है यहाँ पे. Okay, for the year ended नहीं लिखना है. So balance sheet of Brahma and Vishnu as on 31st is 17. Okay, so let's just start with the adjustment. So what is given first adjustment? Here first adjustment is given, provide depreciation 6% on machinery. Now what is the cost of machinery? Because machinery always comes on debit side of trading trial balance. Okay, so value of machinery, that is the 50,000. Okay, and second depreciation, that is furniture and fixtures. Okay, furniture and fixtures amount is given and that is also 5,000. Okay. Machinery 15,000 and furniture 5,000 is given. Okay. So first of all, record here. First one, that is a machine. Okay. So machine value is 50,000 minus depreciation, that is a 6%. So 6 5 are 30. So value is here 3,000. 50 minus 3, that is a 47,000. Okay. Next one, that is a furniture. Furniture value is given here 5,000 minus depreciation, and that is a 20%. Okay. So on 20% 5,000, that is a 1,000. So 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, LC. 5 minus 1, that is a 4,000. Okay. So here, machinery account is given, furniture account is given. Okay, depreciation is already minus. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side. Okay, profit and loss account debit side. So second effect, that is the profit and loss account. Thank you. Profit and loss account debit side here. To depreciation on machine. Okay, and depreciation on machine is we find here, that is a 3,000. Okay, so put the value here 3,000. Second one, depreciation on furniture, and amount is rupees 1,000. Okay, amount is rupees 1,000. So यहाँ पे भी आपको 1,000 लिखना होगा. Okay. So our first adjustment is finished. Go for next one, and here next adjustment, return of 500 from debtors as bad debt. Okay, return of 500 as debtors from bad debt. Okay, or annual salary is given here. So only bad debt is given. BDR and DRD is not given. So in this case only bad debt is given. BDR and DRD is not given. So we calculate here debtors minus bad debt. Debtors. What's the amount of debtors here? 40,000. Okay. Amount of debtors, that is 40,000. So debtors 40,000 minus bad debt. Amount is rupees 500. So 40 minus 5, that is 39,500 is the amount of debtors. Okay, after deduction of bad debt. So here BDR and DRD is not given. So debtors minus bad debt amount is 39,500. Okay. Next effect, that is the profit loss account debit side here. So two bad debt. Now here format already learned. Okay. So bad debt old plus bad debt new plus BDR new. Okay. But here BDR bad debt new is given. Let's see, bad debt old is given here not. Yes, bad debt old is given, and that is 1200. And bad debt reserve is given here. No, bad debt reserve is not given. So only bad debt old and bad debt new is given. BDR is not given. So bad debt new old, bad debt old amount is 1200, and plus bad debt new, already find here, that is 500. Okay, so here 500 प्लस अमाउंट 1700. इसके बाद यहाँ पे आप BDR लिख सकते थे, पर यहाँ पे दिया नहीं है, so it is not record here. Okay, BDR. So BDR old, BDR new is also not given. BDR old is also not given, so it is not necessary to record here. So add this both the amount and record here amount 1700. So bad debt adjustment is finished. Now next one, that is the annual salary of rupees 5,000 and 4,000 payables to Brahma and Vishnu respectively. Now here salary to the partners. So record in partners capital account. दो लाइन छोटे के बाद आपको लिखना होगा यहाँ पे 31/3/17 by salary. Brahma, that is 5,000, and Vishnu, that is 4,000. Okay. Now this is transferred to PL Pro debit side because it is an expense for the business. That's why I record here, and that is the partner's expense. That's why I record profit and loss separation account debit side. To salary. First one, that is the Brahma, and Brahma salary is 5,000, and Vishnu salary is 4,000. So 5 plus 4, that is 9,000 is recorded here. Okay. So salary of both the partners is finished now. Adjustment number fourth now. Commission of rupees 500 is receivable. 500 is receivable means it means that commission आपको मिलना बाकी है. So commission is given here in trial balance, that is a 2500. Add this 500. Add this 500 receivable. Okay, that's outstanding. So here, first effect, profit and loss account credit side, because for income there is only one way, and that is the profit and loss account credit side here. So here by commission, and commission amount is given here, and commission amount is 2500 plus outstanding 500. Total amount is rupees 3000 is recorded in outer column. Okay, so ये आपका हो गया आउटस्टैंडिंग कमीशन पीएल अकाउंट का राइट साइड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इफेक्ट, आउटस्टैंडिंग कमीशन आपकी जो इनकम को मिली नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स रिकॉर्डेड हियर आउटस्टैंडिंग कमीशन, एंड दैट इज अ रुपीज 500. ओके, तो ये हो गया आपका आउटस्टैंडिंग कमीशन भी हो गया. ओके, और नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज अ outstanding salary of rupees 3000. Salary is rupees 3000 is outstanding. So salary is given 7500. So salary is the general expense of the business. That's why it's record on profit and loss account debit side. So record here to salary. Salary amount is given, that is 7500 plus outstanding salary. Okay, that is 3000. Total amount is 10,500. Second effect, our liability is there. So liability always record on balance sheet left side, and outstanding salary. Okay, so outstanding salary is recorded in liability side. Amount is rupees 3000. Amount is rupees 3000. Okay, so outstanding salary is liability for the business, so that's why it's record on balance sheet liability side. Outstanding salary 3000. Okay, so ये हो गया आपका दोनों एडजस्टमेंट हो गया, salary side and that side. Okay, now adjustment is finished. Come to the trial balance. First effect is given here, and that is drawing. So drawing of partners Brahma and Vishnu. Drawing always record on partners capital account debit side. Date is not given. So by drawing for Brahma amount rupees 5000 and Vishnu 5000. Okay. Next is given leasehold building, and amount is rupees 60,000, and that is the hidden adjustment. Okay. This is called hidden adjustment because it is given here from 1/4/16 for 10 years, and total amount is rupees 60,000. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि आपने 60,000 आज एडवांस पेमेंट कर दिया एज ए रेंट. 10 साल का रेंट पे किया है 60,000. ओके, तो एक साल का कितना होगा? 60,000 डिवाइडेड बाई 10, दैट 6,000. तो एक साल का 6,000, 10 साल का 10 ईयर का कितना होगा? 60,000. ओके, सो in balance, first effect balance sheet asset side, record here leasehold building 60,000 minus current year lease 6,000. Second effect, that is the PL account debit side, current year lease 6,000. Okay, so balance sheet asset side, record here leasehold building, amount rupees 60,000 minus current year lease 6,000, remaining amount 54,000. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side, current year lease to current year lease rupees 6,000. Okay, so this is called hidden adjustment, that is finished. Next one, machinery also finished. Discount allowed. Now discount allowed is a business is an expense for the business, so that is a expense of selling and distribution expense. So selling and distributions comes on PL account debit side. So to discount allowed, and discount allowed amount is given. That is the rupees 350. Okay, so record here rupees 350 discount allowed. Next one, debtors also finished. Next one, carriage outward. Carriage outward is the expense of profit and loss account. Okay, carriage inward is the expense of trading account. So here, carriage outward is carriage outward is the expense of selling and distribution. So record here to carriage outward. Carriage outward amount is rupees 1200. So record here 1200. Next one, furniture and fixtures 5,000. That is finished. Salary also finished. Bad debt is also finished. Bill receivable. Bill receivable is current assets record on balance sheet asset side. Bills receivable. So bill receivable is the amount that is 20,000. So record here amount 20,000, and that is called bill receivable. Okay. Trading expenses, that is the expenses of profit and loss account, profit and loss account. So that's why it is record on profit and loss account, debit side. Trading expense is the expense of selling and distribution. So record here trading expenses. Trading expense amount is given here 5,900. So 5,900 is the expense. Cash balance is the asset. So record on asset side cash balance here. Cash balance amount is given 6,000. So asset side you record here 6,000. Stock 31st is 17. That is your assets, and that is your current assets. So record on balance sheet asset side. Stock, and 31st 3 17 is the date is given. It means it's a closing stock, and only when stock is given in trial balance, it should be recorded on balance sheet asset side, and there is only one effect, no two effects. Okay. When the same stock is given in adjustment, then there is a two effect. But when the stock is given in trial balance, there is only one effect, and that is the balance sheet asset side, and amount is rupees 73,000. Okay. So here debit side of trial balance is finished. Now we go for credit side. Here capital account is given of Brahma and Vishnu 55 45. Okay. So first of all record here opening capital of partners. So balance of opening capital of partners record on partners capital account credit side. So date is 1/4/17, first day of the year. Buy balance brought down. For Brahma, amount is 55,000. So record here 55,000. For Vishnu, 45,000. So record here 45,000. Loan of Brahma. Okay. Now Brahma is the partner of the firm, and he is giving loan to the firm. And also record here left side Brahma's loan. Brahma's loan, and amount is 50,000. Okay. Amount is 50,000. Now see here, amount is 50,000 is given. So here rate of interest is not given. So when rate of interest is not given according to law, that is the 6%. Okay. So into 6%, value is 3,000. Okay. Value is 3,000. So plus interest. Now loan is given on 1/7/16. For whole year interest is 3,000 for 9 months, because 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So 9 months is there. So 3,000 into 9 divided by 12, value is 2250. Okay. So plus interest 2250, value will be 52,250. Okay. Second effect, Brahma's loan interest is record on profit and loss account debit side to interest on Brahma's loan. Okay. Amount is 2250. Okay. So here loan of Brahma is also finished. Discount received is the income. So record on personal account credit side by discount received. Discount received amount is that is a 400. So record here 400. Creditors amount is 25,000. So 25,000 is our creditors amount. So record here creditors amount is 25,000. So record here amount 25,000. Next one, commission. Commissions we already finished here. Okay. Bills payable is our liability. So record on bills payable liability side. Amount is rupees 5,000. Amount is rupees 5,000. Bills payable. Trading account we already finished. Okay. Trading account we already recorded. Okay. So first of all, trading account is recorded here by trading account. That is your GP, one kind of GP. Okay. And balance comes right side. So that is gross profit, 97,250. Okay. So first of all, total of this credit side. Okay. So here, balance of trading account is given. That is your gross profit. Okay. So when gross profit is recorded, why it is gross profit? Because in trial balance it is given on credit side. That's why it is gross profit. Okay. In trial balance, it's suppose it is given on debit side. It means that is a gross loss. So record on PL account. debit side, profit and loss account debit side. Okay. So in this case, here trading account is given on credit side of trading account trial balance, so it is record on credit side of profit and loss account. So 97,250. So here amount is 97,250 plus 3,000 plus 400. Your value is 1 lakh 650. Okay. So record here same amount 1 lakh 650. From this amount we deduct all this amount. Okay. So minus 3,000 minus 1,000 minus 1,700 minus 10,500 minus 6,000 minus 350 minus 1,200 minus 5,900 and minus 2,250. Your value is 68,750. Okay. Here value is 68,750. Okay. So record here net profit 68,750. Okay. So here net profit is rupees 68,750. Okay. Now this net profit transfer here, profit and loss account here by net profit 68,750. Okay. So here record 68,750, 68,750. From this amount minus the amount 9,000. So here total is 59,750 is your divisible profit. Okay. So two divisible profit is given of Brahma and Vishnu. Okay. So here percentage of sorry, here amount of sorry, proportion of profit and loss account is given, and that is a 3:2. Okay. 3:2 is given here. Okay. So divide this amount into 3:2. Okay. So 59,750 into 3 divided by 5. Value is 35,850 minus 35,850. Value is 59750. Here 59750. Okay. So 59750 minus otherwise multiply by 2 divided by 5. Value is 23,900. Okay. If we add both this value, so plus 35,850, we get the same amount as it is. Okay. So here divisible profit is transferred here 31st 317 by divisible profit, and here amount is 35,850. Here amount is 23,900. Okay. So total of this 55,000 plus 5,000 plus 35,850. So here value is 95,850 is the total value, and for Vishnu amount is 45,000 plus here 4,000 plus 23,900. Okay, 23,900. Total amount is here 72,900. Okay. So now from this amount minus the amount of debit side. So first of all record here total amount 95,850 and here 72,900. Okay. From this amount minus this amount, so we get the balance. So on by balance, cut it down. 95,850 minus 5,000. Amount is here 90,850. Okay. So 90,850, 850 is the amount here. Now here 72,900 minus 5,000. So 72,900 minus 5,000. Value is 67,900. 67,900 is the amount of Vishnu. Okay. Now this is a balance. Credit balance means it is a profit. This profit is transferred balance sheet debit side. Okay. So here So capital of Brahma and Vishnu. So Brahma capital amount is rupees 90,850, and here Vishnu 67,900. When we add both the amount, 90,850 plus 67,900, we'll get the amount here 1,58,750. Okay. Now add all this amount here plus 52,250 plus 3,000 plus 25,000 plus 5,000. Okay. Total amount is here 2,44,000. 2,44,000 is the amount of left side. Okay. Now here 47,000 plus 4,000 plus 39,500 plus 54,000 plus 20,000 plus 500 plus 6,000 plus 73,000. Okay. So 2,44,000 is the value here. So put the value 2,44,000. So here both the answer is tally. Okay. So if there is any questions you want to ask me, okay, you can ask anytime. Okay. So question number 8 or video of question number 8 I will send to you. So if there is any questions, any query, ask me in group. Okay. So today we finish question number 8. From tomorrow we start question number 9. Okay. And if there is any doubt, if any point or adjustment is not clear with you, so ask me. Okay. Thank you.